guys, it's me, Tala. So for today's vlog, we will go buy grocery for our home, and so that we have stock food there. So come with me, guys, as I buy food for home. See ya. So we're here now, guys. We're going to buy some fruits. Ate, go pick one fruits. Where? This one. But I don't know how. So we will buy orange. Orange here. Pwede. So let's try this. What does what does it taste? What does it taste like? So what do you put doon? Ate. So ito sweet. Not too much sweet. Lemon? Mga 4 pieces. Pero every day, every morning ate, kailangan magawa mo yan. Para inumin. Oo. Hindi. Si Tony lang ang acidic mo. Ano na? Okay, let's go. Para saan? This is sweet. Not much sweet. Okay. So we will buy some. Ate, lettuce! Yes, lettuce and seaweed. Oh my god, that's perfect with mayonnaise. Lettuce. Magkano? Litos ba yun? How do you pronounce it? All my life I thought it's lettuce. It's lettuce. Okay guys, how do you pronounce this? Lettuce or lettuce? Magkano? We will eat this tonight. Let's make it. Okay. I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I ever had. I wanna be on the cover of sports magazine. Smiling over and free. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, I feel like I want. Hello, ate! Ito, maganda na.
Maganda pa rin.
Yes, maganda pa rin. Pupunta ako doon. Yes. Cause every time I close my eyes, I see what is shining. I see every night. Something's every time. Bili tayo ng tokwa. Tapos yung kainin natin mamaya, tokwa with lettuce and with seaweed and with mayonnaise. Perfect. What do you think? Yes. So healthy living tayo for tonight. Yes. Yep. Nakapila na silang lahat para sa akin. Charot. This is apricot. Pomegranate. Ha? Kung kasya sa ref lahat ng binibili mo, bilhin mo. Kung hindi siya kasya, wag mo na bilhin. Pero kung kasya siya, bilhin mo. We bought string leads. And guys, please comment below. I don't know what is this. Is it lettuce or lettuce? I don't know. Then garlic, potato, onions, lime, lemon, squash. Squash. I love squash. tomatoes. We bought some vegetables and fruits since we want to eat fruits and vegetables this time. Bye-bye ate ko, kami ay dito muna. Thank you so much. So guys, you know, at ito na lang kaya bilihin mo oh, with different color. 550. Lagay mo lahat, kainin mo, di ba rich in vitamin C? Hello, B. How are you today? Very good. Ano pa na order? Atawid kita dito. How are you? Huh? Yes, I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging now. I only have few subscribers. So we're coming here. Let's go now, sister. Go buy some food and everything. One, two. Where you? So where's Kuya Jinjin here? Where is Kuya Jinjoy? Ate, may mais! Tara maglaga ng mais!
Gineget yun lang, Ben.
What? Sorry.
Gineget yun lang.
Oh no! Ate, come here! No, I'm sorry. Ate, let's go. Ate, let's go. Thank you so much! No, this one! Ay ba yung match del USA? So I want this match del USA. Wait, ate, wait lang. Ay, nasa ano ko? I-chat mo si ate, may pa-chat ka. Sabi mo kasi nakalimutan niya, nasa cellphone niya. So we love milk. We want to drink milk. Charot. Guys, I want to buy coffee. Well, actually, guys, I don't like coffee. But I don't know why I drink much these days. Actually, these days I drink much. Maybe because I'm always sleepy at my work, so coffee is the only one I want to drink. Okay, let me get another drinks. I don't like coffee now. I want to change, not coffee. I want to change to another one. Okay, let me find the coffee. Natural honey. Ito, are you sure it's natural? Because it has water inside. Charot. So, we're going to change. Hindi ko alam. Banana ketchup, UFC. Yes. This, I love this too. I love this too when I'm eating fried chicken. I really love this too. Seaweed. I love this seaweed. Okay, this is 9.4. Yes, 9.4. I will buy 2 since I love it. Crispy seaweed. I'll buy 2, but it's 6 pieces. Parang feeling ko. Okay. Go. Push. Tingnan niya pag maganda. Charot. Charot. Yoplok. No. Okay. Rice cracker. Ano na daw? Okay na, let's go na. Ano pa kailangan, te? Yung mixer niya. At lagi iniinis ako, nag-ano siya. Magbabalintong talaga siya. Ganito na lang dapat. So, ano? Ate, nakita mo na ba yung mix, ano? Tara mo. Saan daw? I'm sorry. Nasaan daw ate? Bakit di pa niya tinuro kung nasaan? Mix herb, mix herb. Meron ka? Ate, oh, ayan na. Magkano? Ano ga ito?
Ari pa isang mix herb. 12 dirham. American harvest.
Ito, ano ito? American harvest.
Ito ay 550.
Iyan mo sabihin yung price. Kuya, magkano ako mamaya? Magsisiwid with pancit canton, with tuna. Ay, ate, nakalimutan ko mayonnaise, with mayonnaise. And lettuce. Ay, sorry ate. I'm vlogging. It's my work. Vlog. Say hi.
Hello! Teknolohiya.
Bye-bye. Hotdog, tender cheesy. Chicken. Tara na. Honest it goes, stop. Chiri-ching-chop. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-no, da-da-da-no, chop. Da-da-da. Ah. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Ano yung chorus na? Now I'm shining light up on the beat. And you can shine. Now and so I believe we're going up, up, up to the moon. Gonna be golden. Oh, 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 gonna be golden. You don't know. Ano ba ate? Kaya mo na yung kainti naman yan. Still delicious. How's it going? Look at the house. Oh, we're going to pay. Let's see how much is this all. Let's see how much this all. Oh my god. I'm shaking how much this all. So we're paying now. So guys, we're paying now. I don't know how much is this one, but I hope everything will be okay. How much is this? Check mo natin kung magkano. 300 plus na? It's 300 plus na still something like Tapos ngayon vlogger na ako. Charot. Charot lang, hello. Hindi ka naman kasama ako lang. Don't worry. Magandang mukha ko lang nilalagay ko. Charot. So, hi guys, we're finished and then we buy already what we need in our room. So guys, this is what we bought and the total total of 800 dirhams. Well, it's okay because we will use it for a month. Let's say for a month or for 2 month for 2 weeks at least we have already. So thanks God for this. This is a blessing from above. And yeah, and guys, thank you for always watching my vlog, for liking my vlogs. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next vlog. This is Tala, and I love you all. Goodbye.